Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VLAN setup for smart home networks with ASUS routers. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by connecting your ASUS router to your computer using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type in the router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.50.1. Press enter to access the login page of your router. Log in using your admin credentials. The default username is usually admin, and the password is either admin or password unless you've changed it. Once logged in, locate the Advanced Settings section in the left sidebar. Click on LAN under the Advanced Settings menu. Look for the VLAN tab within the LAN settings. Enable VLAN by checking the appropriate box. Next, configure the VLAN IDs as desired for your smart home devices. For each VLAN, you will need to assign an IP address range. This helps to segment your network effectively. Define the DHCP settings for each VLAN to ensure devices receive IP addresses automatically. After configuring your VLAN settings, click the Apply button to save your changes. Next, navigate to Wireless Settings to apply these VLAN configurations to your Wi-Fi networks. Create new SIDs for each VLAN, ensuring that the settings match the VLAN ID you created earlier. Configure the security settings for each SSID to keep your network secure. Once all settings have been adjusted, save these changes. Finally, reboot your router to ensure all changes take effect properly. Once rebooted, connect your smart home devices to the corresponding SIDs based on their VLAN configurations. Monitor the network to ensure devices are connecting properly and are isolated as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.